Good morning, Tux. Let the warm-up begin. A little bit warmer today, and then warmer as the week goes on. Hi, boys. You're both rolling over. Hi. Hello. Well, we walked, but I'm not sure if the cats followed. Tux was quite awake enough yet. Either that or it's not quite warm enough. Maybe they're down here at the bottom of the hill. We tried. Hey, Slaty. Glad you can get up and down from there. I don't worry about it when it's running this slow. Silly cat. I was noticing several things. One, my rose bush and the hydrangea are leafing out. The wild violets are in bloom. And this ground cover stuff that I put in this bucket last year after I cut it just to see what it will do, it rooted just fine. My peony is out. And my tulips are trying to do something. There's another little peony over there. I probably need to uncover it a bit. It's been a couple days now since I worked on my Lego projects, and well, I usually don't work on them as much over the weekend, but also I still don't have an answer on my question about the Queen Anne Victorian, and I'm still waiting on the sand green bricks for the Monster Mansion. I did get Legos in the mail Friday and Saturday, which I'm going to sort of put away and organize now. But they're not the ones that I super need for continuing on. So tomorrow, I guess while Dawn's working, assuming I have some time, I'm probably just going to move forward with this one, answer or not. And just work on it and not worry about it. I did re-message the person and message them on Facebook, and I just don't think they're as active as they were, say, 4 or 5 years ago. So, and I don't know, maybe my question was one that was harder to answer. I know a lot of times when I answer people, if it's a really quick thing and I know the immediate answer, I'm super fast about it. And if I have to really give some thought to it, go look something up, research it or something, it takes a little longer. So I don't want to be mad about it, but I do, maybe I'll get an answer today. So, well, Dawn is suiting up for doing some yard work. It's about 60, still a little breezy, but much more pleasant out here today than it was yesterday. I'm going to change out the St. Patrick's Day flags for Easter flags, spend some time with the kitties, and do whatever Dawn needs me to do. I'm going to hope for the best and work on those vines over there and maybe the vines over here. I didn't get poison ivy the last time we were out here, so like I said, we're going to hope for the best. So Dawn's got things thinned out in there really good. And I have these vines up from this area. Kind of went on an angle from this tree down to the camellia bush, follow the creek area over there. There's lots more to do, but every time I'm out here I'm risking poison ivy. Hopefully didn't catch any today. Well, that looks like fun.
Oh yeah. Lots of fun.
Looks good over here though. Yeah, it's all we left. We left enough to still grow up and choose, but not to get too full. And I'm pleased with what he took over here. Maybe that southern magnolia will do something. Yeah. Well, this is a pretty ground cover my friend Faith gave me years ago. And it still blooms every year, and it looks really pretty. Pretty yellow flowers. I do not know what it is. And it's no less wonderful to look at because it doesn't have a name. We didn't overdo it out here today. It's 4:45. I've had my shower. I'm headed to the environmental park to spin the Pokestop. Don's out here to blow the driveway, and then he's headed to the shower. I felt like I really needed to wash up with Dawn sooner than later, so that was a good thing. I got up in there pretty quick. Hey there, I know you weren't going to be one of those yard guys that blows my car.
No, man, not me. I want to live.
It's a gorgeous afternoon. I'm sitting here at Trinity Episcopal Church. I took the gym down, put my players in, trying to coordinate a thunderous raid before I head back to the house. Must be Sunday. We're making
Bacon day.
bacon. Yum!